Your windows will be spotless thanks to using a sanitary pad. All you need is a regular mop and one pad. Remove the pad from its packaging and stick it onto the mop. The surface of the pad absorbs water and dirt perfectly. Spray it with your favorite glass cleaner and wash all the windows in your home. This method allows you to reach even hard-to-access high places. The pad effectively soaks up excess liquid, leaving your windows shiny and streak-free. It works better than many professional tools. This way, you can quickly and easily clean all your windows without any effort. I no longer buy Swiffer floor cleaning cloths. I make them myself, and this trick will save you a lot of money. When you run out of those wet cloths, you can use the dry ones if you moisten them with a solution. But for floor cleaning, you'd need to use two cloths. I definitely prefer using reusable microfiber cloths. They work great for dusting when dry. To make them more effective, prepare an empty Swiffer cloth box or any other sealable container. Pour in 250 milliliters of water. Then add 125 milliliters of vinegar. The vinegar will help remove all the dirt from the surfaces. Next, add a tablespoon of citric acid. Mix everything so the citric acid dissolves. Place folded cloths into the container. Press them down gently. Then squeeze and flip them over. Leave them for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to try this trick. Take out a cloth, attach it to your Swiffer, and wipe the floor. Not only does it pick up all the dust, but also notice how shiny your floor looks. I've stopped using disposable cloths, and I hope you'll stop too after trying this trick. A simple trick for a clean bathroom. Wash your bathroom walls this way, and the tiles will shine for a long time. It only takes a moment, and your bathroom will sparkle. You wouldn't believe what builds up on the tiles in your bathroom. With this trick, you'll easily remove all the dust from the tiles. Plus, it will prevent more dirt from settling. This trick adds shine to the cleaned surfaces. All you need are Swiffer cloths and a mop. Attach a cloth to the mop and start wiping down all the walls in the bathroom, even those high up near the ceiling that are usually hard to reach. After a moment, look at the mop. You couldn't see it with the naked eye on the wall. Once you've wiped down all the walls, take a second cloth and wipe them all again. Now they will stay clean for a long time. I repeat this process once a month, and I highly recommend you start doing the same. All you need is a Swiffer. Pour rinse aid into the toilet. It works better than you think. If you've never used rinse aid in your toilet before, you need to try this. However, don't pour it in directly. First, prepare a powerful cleaning mixture. Start by pouring 125 milliliters of vinegar into a container. Vinegar effectively dissolves deposits and has antibacterial properties. Next, add 1 tablespoon of salt, which helps remove stubborn dirt and prevents limescale buildup. Stir well until the salt is completely dissolved, then transfer the mixture into a spray bottle. Now, add the key ingredient, 50 milliliters of rinse aid. This will make surfaces shine. Always shake the bottle before use to ensure the ingredients are well mixed. Spray the inside of the toilet, the seat, and the lid generously. Let the solution sit for a while to work its magic, then wipe everything down with a cloth. Dirt and stains will disappear instantly. This mixture also works wonders on sinks and faucets, removing limescale and water stains while leaving them sparkling clean. Your bathroom will be fresher and shinier than ever. Cleaning your home has never been this easy and enjoyable. No more climbing ladders. First, grab a bucket and fill it with about a liter of lukewarm water. Add some dishwasher rinse aid. Soak a microfiber cloth in the prepared mixture, then wring it out well. Now, simply attach the cloth to your Swiffer mop. Use this to clean your windows. No need for a ladder. Just rinse the cloth occasionally for the best results. Since discovering this trick, I've completely stopped using window cleaner. It also works wonders in the bathroom. The rinse aid makes tiles shine beautifully and is perfect for cleaning shower doors. After using it, water won't leave streaks. It will just slide right off. You have to try it yourself. I'm sure you'll love it. With this cleaning method, limescale won't build up on your faucet for up to 3 weeks. Using a dishwasher rinse aid, you can easily remove accumulated limescale and residue. Limescale and buildup on faucets and shower heads are common issues, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high concentrations of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which leave stubborn stains and streaks on surfaces. Regular cleaning and proper care are key to tackling this problem. The solution? Dishwasher Rinse Aid. Applying this product to faucets and shower heads is a quick and effective way to remove buildup and achieve gleaming surfaces. Its acidic formula breaks down tough stains, while its protective properties help prevent dirt and limescale from forming again. To use, simply apply a small amount of rinse aid to a cloth or sponge and gently polish the surface. The rinse aid not only removes limescale and residue, but also leaves a protective coating that keeps surfaces cleaner for longer. With this method, your faucet and shower head will shine like new. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and a polished look in your bathroom. Instead of using it in the dishwasher, try it for cleaning. Dampen a cloth, attach it to a Swiffer, and your home will shine. This trick adds shine to cleaned surfaces, prevents buildup of dirt and water stains, and eliminates moisture issues on tiles. Thanks to this mixture, your home will feel fresh. Grab a regular cloth and a Swiffer mop. Prepare a bowl of lukewarm water. Add a bit of dishwasher rinse aid. Any standard one from the store will do. Soak the cloth in the solution, then wring it out well so it's damp, but not dripping. The cloth is now ready. Attach it to your mop and start cleaning the bathroom tiles, even the high ones near the ceiling that are hard to reach. It removes dust and adds a beautiful shine. Rinse the cloth as needed and move on to the next section. You can also clean kitchen tiles this way. They'll shine like new, and it doesn't stop there. This mixture also works wonders on smooth furniture. Use it to clean tall kitchen cabinet fronts or wardrobe doors. They'll look glossy, just like when they were brand new. Don't throw away your old mop. Don't waste money on a new one when you can easily refresh it. A dirty mop doesn't clean, it spreads dirt and leaves streaks. Regular cleaning removes accumulated dust, dirt, and bacteria, making your floor truly clean. Start by removing the mop head and preparing a large bowl or bucket. Pour 100 milliliters of floor cleaner, which will remove dirt and leave a fresh scent. Add 100 milliliters of vinegar. It has antibacterial properties, dissolves grease, and effectively eliminates streaks. Then, add 500 milliliters of hot water and soak the mop in this mixture. Let it sit for an hour to allow the dirt to dissolve. While waiting, clean the bucket. Spray it with cleaning fluid, scrub with a sponge, and rinse thoroughly. After an hour, remove the mop, pour a small amount of cleaner over it, and scrub with a brush. Finally, rinse thoroughly and leave it to dry. Done. Your mop is clean, fresh, and looks like new. Repeat this process regularly, and cleaning will become easier with streak-free floors.